Our master bathroom doesn't have a door, and I know what you're thinking. You're a handyman. Put a door on. First off, valid. Second off, as the old adage goes, the cobbler's son wears no shoes. The problem isn't the privacy issue. We're married and we have a small child, so there is no privacy. The issue is that my wife and I are on different schedules. She prefers to have her personal time before the sun rises, and I prefer to have my personal time at night, which means I'm tiptoeing around the bathroom at night with my phone flashlight trying to not disturb her as much as possible, and she's flooding the bedroom with light, which usually wakes me up. But not anymore. Am I fixing the door? Nope. I'm too lazy for that. But I did find this awesome new product from Halo. It's a typical can light insert, but it has a nightlight mode. And it just so happens that we have a light by our shower at the far end of the bathroom that would be perfect for this. I rate these projects by how many F-bombs you're likely to drop while tackling the project. This one is about as easy as it comes. Don't you love that brown one-note ceiling wall combination? It's beautiful. This bathroom will get remodeled at some point, but for now, we're left with what the previous homeowners gave us, which is dookie brown paint on the walls, ceiling, and some carpet in the bathroom. Now I know what you're thinking. All you're doing is changing a light bulb? Yeah, pretty much. That's how easy this project is. It's just a matter of removing the old housing, taking out the light bulb, and then replacing it with the new one. Now, many people would flip a breaker if they're working on something electrically, but you don't need to do that. As long as the switch is off to whatever light that you're currently working on, you're not going to risk shocking yourself. So then you can just thread the base with the wire on it right into the light fixture itself, and then snap it into the back of the light. On the back of the light, you can adjust the color temperature of the light so it matches the other lights in your bathroom, or whatever color temperature you prefer. Now, if you have a situation like me where they either paint it around and you don't have the matching paint, or maybe the drywall is messed up around the can light, you can buy one of these things. It's called a goof ring, and it covers up the goofs. Now, I don't normally like to use these, but I don't have any of this dookie brown paint, and as I mentioned, we'll be remodeling this bathroom at some point, so the goof ring will hold us over for now until I get around to remodeling the bathroom. So the ring just goes right on top of the light, and then you can use the little clips on the light into the can, snap it in place, and then slide everything up in, and then adjust your goof ring so that it's centered. From there, you just use the light switch as you normally would. You could just turn it on, works as a normal light, but to activate nightlight mode, all you have to do is turn the light on, off, and then back on again within 1.5 seconds, and it jumps into nightlight mode. Now, I think this is pretty cool. It gives off just enough light so that I can see what I'm doing when I'm getting ready for bed, and the light is soft enough that it doesn't really disturb you when you're in bed, and it doesn't wake me up in the morning when my wife is in the bathroom getting ready. So it's a perfect application in my mind. So if you're like me and too lazy to add a door to your bathroom, go ahead and check these out. I think they'd also be good for a children's bedroom or something like that, and the only thing that I could think of that would really make it better is if maybe it defaulted to nightlight mode during certain hours. But other than that, I'm really happy with it, and I hope I was able to introduce you guys to a new product. If you like this video and want to see more of this type of content, make sure you hit the like button down below and also subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you're alerted of new videos, and make sure you check out my website at MrFixitDIY.com.